Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Moment Fashion. So how are you friends? Today I am going to share with you most stylish, beautiful and gorgeous high heel boots designs ideas. So you will see in this video different style and type of high heel boots designs 2022. You can wear these boots in official parties and in formal function. All designers so nice, gorgeous, outstanding, trendy and stylish for those women who like latest fashion and unique style of fashion. So friends, please watch my video till the end so you don't miss any design of my more beautiful video, because all designers are latest, trendy and unique, and I am sure you like and want to buy such type of high heel boots. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily in my channel videos. So please guys, subscribe my YouTube channel Moment Fashion for more fashion ideas. Friends, I hope you enjoy my video. Most stylish, latest, gorgeous, mind-blowing and most demanding high heel boots designs ideas. So guys, please share my video and like my video with your friends and family. Hopefully they will also like my video and wonderful collection. My video are useful and have a unique and stylish latest fashion ideas. So friends, if you loving these beautiful designs, do like my video, share and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get all the notification full of my videos, so you will not miss any video of my channel Moment Fashion. So guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Most stylish, latest and trendy high heel boots designs ideas for girls and women. Do comments in comment section about my video and suggest me good advice so I can make more beautiful videos. Please support me by sharing my video, and thanks for happy visions of my previous video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. Goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon.